Verb. Verb is another category divided into finite and non-finite verb. What is finite verb? What is non-finite verb? We'll see. I want a pen. In this case, the word a pen gives answer for the question what or whom. I want to play here. To play is also gives answer for the question what. Now this to play is a verb but works like noun and it gives answer for the question what. When you get answer for the question what or whom, definitely you will get answer as a noun or pronoun. He wants to play. They want to play. They wanted to play. In the first and second, I want to play and he wants to play. I and he are singular, but I belongs to first person and he belongs to third person. Both are singular and first I belongs to first person and he belongs to third person. Want and wants also V1. They both belong to simple present tense. Here, as per the first person, I want is written, and as per the third person singular, we have written he wants. Okay, next. In this case, the verb is modifying based on the person. In this case, the verb want and wants is modifying, though they belong to same tense, modifying as want and wants. So verb changes based on the person. Next, second and third examples we see. He wants to play. They want to play. Here, he and they belongs to same person. He and they belongs to same person. That is third person. But he wants we have written and they want we have written. And the tense here is also same tense. Wants and want V1 and V1. But as per the singular and plural, he and they, he is singular, they is plural, we have changed the tense. We have changed the verb based on the number. Singular and plural. Though they belongs to same person, though they belongs to same tense, but based on the number, singular or plural, we have changed the verb. And next here, last examples, two examples you see. They want to play, they wanted to play. Here want and they is the same. Want and wanted changed. Want is V1 and wanted is V2 based on the tense. Here we are talking about present tense and here we are talking about past tense. So based on the tense, the verb is changed. Based on the person, the verb is changed. Based on the number, the verb is changed. Whereas you see, to play, always this verb is remained same, irrespective of person, number and tense. This verb does not change at all. This verb did not change at all. So this type of verbs are called non-finite verb. The verb that modifies based on the person, number and tense. The verb that changes based on the person, number, tense is called finite verb. The verb in the brackets in the boxes you see to play. This verb never changed. They remained silent, same all the time, irrespective of person, number or tense. Such verbs are called non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs are three types. Non-finite verbs are three types. One is V4 working like nouns, such are called gerunds. V4s working like nouns are called gerunds. Next, 2 plus V1 works like infinitives. 2 plus V1 works like a noun and such are called they are called infinitives. Here sometimes you can find without 2 also V1 works like a noun. They are called bare infinitives. Okay, next participles. V4 or V3 works like adjectives. V4 or V3 works like adjectives. They are called participles, right? Some examples we'll see. I like swimming. Here the word swimming is looks like a verb, but it is not working like verb. It is working like a noun. What I like. It is giving the answer for the question what. So it is called a noun. I like swimming. Now in the second example you see here, swimming is good for health. Swimming is good for health. What is good for health? Swimming is good for health. So here also swimming is a noun. So it is gerund. It is gerund. Gerunds can be placed at the objective place. Gerunds can be placed at the subjective place. Next, to err is human. To err is human. What is human? To err is human. Making mistakes is called a human being. Human beings generally make mistakes, right? Okay. I am at the swimming pool. Here, in this case, the word pool is modified with the help of the word swimming. Now here, this word swimming is not working like a noun, is not working like verb, but it is working like a modifying word. It is working like an adjective. It is giving extra information to the noun pool. So that is why it is called a adjective. Next, he gave me handwritten book. He gave me handwritten book. He gave me the handwritten book. Here, handwritten book, handwritten word. The word handwritten, written V3 form, giving extra information to the word book. Book is noun, it is modifying, so this is also called a adjective. V3 working like a adjective, V4 working like a adjective are called what we call them participles. If V4 works like a adjective, then we call it as a present participle. If V3 works like a adjective, then we call it as a past participle. These are rotten apples. Rotten apples. Now here you see apples. What type of apples are there? Rotten apples. Rotten means damaged, not useful to eat. Rotten. So here the word rotten is a adjective V3 form, but working like a modifying word adjective, so it is called a past participle. Here you see the word ripe mangoes. Mangoes is noun, ripe is a V3 form, so it is also working like a adjective. That means it is past participle, right?